What's up, people? This is Brewing Daddy here, and we are going to show you our new keg setup and what we got. So this is our keg that we purchased with our starter kit. Came with both the hoses, both the fittings here. Also came with this cheap little tap, and it came with this regulator. Paid $129. That was after a $10 off coupon. Got free shipping from Northern Brewer. And I bought this tank separately. This actually is an exchange. The tank I bought I no longer have because they kept it when I exchanged it, but I want to say I paid 80 bucks for the tank, $89 for the tank, 5-pound CO2 tank. This keg is a used keg that I got from Ventures and Home Brewing. I paid $39 and got free shipping, and I had to replace the seals on it and clean it. It was very dirty, and it needed seals badly. Fortunately, this one that came with the set was already cleaned, and it was already was reconditioned, new seals and everything on it. So that's this part of the equipment, and this is what I'm going to be cooling my beer with. I'm happy about this. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks, and these things run $200 plus. So this is a Jockey box. I think I got very lucky finding this. It's got like a Budweiser tap on it, a real nice Budweiser tap. And then it's got the stainless steel coils. I think that's a 50-foot, I believe. And then on the back, it's got a connection here. Now I do have to get a adapter to go from this thread size down to this nipple size so I can connect my hose here, because I doubt I'll be using this one at all. The way I drink beer, I'll keep the keg warm, and whenever I want to drink, I'll throw a bag of ice in here or two. And I don't normally drink when I'm off of work, so this will stay cold for a couple of days out in the garage, and I can drink all the beer I want. And I don't like getting my beer cold and then having to take it out and the keg gets hot again and all that, so I just rather keep it at a constant temperature. And I think this is the best setup for me. I actually would like to have one that I could put two taps on, and they make them, but this one's already set up for one. I'm really happy with this purchase though. I got very lucky. I just happened to notice on Facebook Marketplace, and there's not much that can go wrong with this. As long as the tap works, and if it doesn't, I can always swap it out. The stainless steel coil is probably the most expensive part of this whole setup, but I'm very happy with this. I can't wait to keg some beer and try it out. But just wanted to show everybody what I've been up to as far as new projects, and this is one of my new projects. We'll be having some video. I'll be brewing some 5-gallon batches here soon, and we'll be kegging them up, and we'll be taking you along for the ride. We'll appreciate you joining us. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for following us. We do appreciate it. All of this equipment, I'll put links in the description where you can buy everything you've seen. I can link these. They sell them on different websites, but I'll put some links to some options for Jockey boxes if you guys want to take a look. But very happy to get into kegging. Bottling is not my favorite thing to do, but I really like keg beer, and I think this is going to up my game for brewing, and I think I'm going to be very happy with it. But hit that like button, subscribe, follow us, share us, and check out brewingdaddy.com. Peace out, people. We'll see you next time.